Did you say?
Wait, put it up here.
Okay.
Wait, you want to like the 5 seconds of looking at it?
Okay.
Ready?
Because that's what they do that.
Get hold on, ready?
Okay.
Go! Wait, up here.
Why do you have extension for it?
Because it doesn't plug straight in, because like, this thing is too fat. If you've got like a mouse or something with a USB port, it bends the thing and it breaks.
As soon as I memorize this,
What do you mean it's too
I got
fat?
it.
Like, the USB port is the right size, but this thing, it goes...
Tony!
I'm hungry.
It won't stay out.
Can I eat these?
Tony.
Yeah.
What?
I don't even.
You gotta time this, remember? He's almost done.
Oh. No, he's not. No. But he's like on cube crack. Cube. Where's my Rubik's cubes?
This is mine.
I've got 2.
Put a Mexican song in.
Where's my
Yeah.
This one's mine, right? Keep going.
Keep going.
Which one's mine? Where's my cube? Oh, Adrian's my cube, huh?
Dang. Oh, dang.
Wait.
Hurry up. That's
stuck.
Minute.
Oh, come on. What time?
Minute 6.
Minute 6.
Beat it by 8
man.
seconds.
Minute 6. Is that?
You just did it in a minute and 6 seconds.
Yes.